Aloha mai kako ukulele friends, and thank you for coming back to my channel. We are covering a book called the He Mele Aloha book, which is one of my favorite sources for Hawaiian music. It's a great book. It has all of the chords that you need to tackle a Hawaiian song. But if you're not familiar with the Hawaiian song, you're not going to know how the vocal melody goes, or how the song goes, or how the rhythm of the song goes. So there's a lot of stuff that it does not include. So that's why I'm here. I help you get through a lot of these Hawaiian songs. And for some of you, it's a welcome into Hawaiian music. This week we're covering one of my favorite songs. I know I say that about every song, but this is a great song called Sweet Lei Mokihana. What we do is I usually walk you through the ʻukulele Hawaiʻi, or the words verse by verse, and then we go ahead and we try to tackle that verse one at a time, okay? And this song has some easy chords in it, actually. C, and we have F, and we have G7, C7, A7, and D7. And some of you who have been here before know I like to use the open sounding D7, which looks like this, and I'll put it right here. I call it the Hawaiian D7. There's also this D7, which is listed in the it's the D7 that most people use right here. I like the Hawaiian D7 because it just makes it fuller sounding. Let's go ahead and jump in the first verse. First verse is Sweet Lei Mokihana, Auhea Oe. Okay, Sweet Lei Mokihana, Auhea Oe. All right. Second line is Ku'ulei Nani Oe, Poina Ole. Okay. Oh, I didn't talk about the strum. The strum we're gonna do just like our last video, which was Kauaʻi Beauty, and we're just gonna go a simple up and down, because this one has kind of a strange rhythmic thing. It just jumps to the G7. When we get to that point, I'll kind of point it out. Okay, so we're just gonna keep it very simple, up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. A little bit of an emphasis on that down. Okay. That G7 kind of jumps a little quicker than the other notes are spaced apart. So just be aware of that. It's nothing too crazy. It's just a little bit of a jump on that G7. And I mean, I attribute that to just, Hawaii music being a very folk-based music. There are some songs where you just have to pay attention to the timing, and it just jumps to the next chord when it jumps to the next chord, okay? Next verse is Ho'ohihi kamana'o, ho'ohihi kamana'o, ya hanale, okay? Hano hano no oe, he nani maolino, he nani maolino, all right? Second verse. Versus ka'ehu o ke kai a'o haena. Okay? Ka'ehu o ke kai a'o haena. Lawa'e o makana o nā molokama. O nā molokama. Let's try that. To the very last verse, haina. And those of you who have been following my series, you know that haina is a very common verse in Hawaii music, basically summing up all of the verses and kind of telling the refrain of the entire song. Pretty much a cliff notes in one verse, okay? Here we go. Haina. Haina ia mai ana kapuana. Okay? Haina ia mai ana kapuana. Sweet Lei Mokihana po ina ole. Okay? Sweet Lei Mokihana po ina ole. Here we go. Haina ia mai ana kapuana. Sweet Lei Mokihana po ina ole. All right. Good job, you made it to the end. And what that means is that we're going to go ahead and tackle the whole song. We're going to cover it one more time, but we're not going to stop this time. We're not going to go verse by verse by verse. We're going to do the whole song all the way through. And I'm just going to do each verse once. Typically what you would do in a song like this, sometimes there's a hula accompaniment. So typically you would do either each verse twice, or sometimes you would do a 2 1 1 2. And to end this one, we're gonna go ahead and try something kind of a typical ending in Hawaiian music, which is the chromatic run up. Okay, so basically starting on the B flat. Okay, I'm gonna hit the B flat. We're gonna go up to the B, and we're gonna end on the C. Okay, B flat, B, C, and it's gonna sound like this. And then we're gonna end like that, something like that. Okay. All right, here we go. Good job. Kind of a difficult song, so kudos if you guys made it through. Once again, my name is Steven Espaniola. If you need to know more information about me, you can go to www.stevenespaniola.com. There you can find some of my live events, which unfortunately these days there's a lot of cancellations on shows and ukulele festivals. Make sure you guys look out for one another. We can make it through this if we all just stick together, be smart, be safe. Until next time, you guys, thank you so much for continuing to stay with me. See you guys next time.